Welcome to the top best. The best dog shampoo brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools a pet parent can invest in, transforming bath time from a chore into a bonding experience while ensuring your furry friend stays clean, healthy, and comfortable. This innovative accessory is designed to distribute shampoo evenly, massage your dog's skin, and effectively remove loose fur and dirt, making the entire bathing process more efficient and enjoyable for both you and your canine companion. Imagine a cleaner dog with less mess and a happier pup who actually looks forward to getting squeaky clean. That's the power of the right shampoo brush. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Tired of struggling with pet hair? This innovative grooming tool makes removing loose fur and tangles a breeze. Its design ensures efficient grooming for all coat types. Cleaning up after grooming is now incredibly simple. With just a push of a button, the bristles retract, making fur removal quick and hassle-free. Spend less time cleaning and more time bonding. Say goodbye to excessive shedding. This brush effectively detangles and removes loose fur while gently massaging your pet's skin. Regular use promotes a healthier, shinier coat. Grooming your beloved pet should be a comfortable experience. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure, strain-free grip, minimizing hand fatigue even during longer grooming sessions. Designed with soft, fine bristles, this grooming essential is gentle on your pet's skin, preventing any scratches. It's effective on all fur types, making it the perfect versatile tool for both dogs and cats. What we like? This brush features a convenient self-cleaning mechanism, making cleanup a breeze. Its gentle bristles ensure a comfortable grooming experience for your pet. If you're tired of struggling with tangled fur and messy cleanups after grooming, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for owners who want an efficient and hassle-free way to keep their pet's coat healthy and tangle-free. What people say. The brush is easy to use and effective at removing loose fur. It helps to distribute shampoo evenly and massage the dog's skin. The silicone bristles are soft and gentle on the dog's coat. Number 4. Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush. Tired of messy bath times? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to make grooming your furry friend a breeze. It's perfect for both dogs and cats, ensuring a clean and happy pet. Whether your pet has long or short hair, this brush is designed to handle it all. Its premium scrubber effectively cleans and massages, making bath time a more enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Experience a superior clean with our premium scrubber. It's designed to work seamlessly with your shower, sprayer, or any bathing setup, ensuring every inch of your pet is thoroughly cleaned. This tool is not just about cleaning, it's about comfort too. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for you, while the gentle bristles provide a soothing massage for your pet. Make bath time less of a chore and more of a bonding experience. This all-in-one grooming solution simplifies your routine, leaving your pet looking and feeling their best. Crafted for durability, this brush is built to last. Its simple yet effective design makes it incredibly easy to use, even for first-time pet groomers. What we like? This grooming tool doubles as a shampoo dispenser, allowing for a perfectly even lather with every use. Its soft silicone bristles are designed to be gentle yet effective. If you find it difficult to distribute shampoo evenly or want to streamline your pet's bath time, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for pet owners who want to make bath time more efficient and less messy. What people say. This brush is great for de-shedding my husky. It works really well on my long-haired dog, getting out tangles and loose fur. The bristles are soft enough that my dog doesn't mind it at all. Number 3. Pet Grooming Gloves, patented #1 ranked. Introducing the revolutionary pet grooming gloves, designed to make grooming your furry friends a breeze. They are perfect for shedding, bathing, and removing loose hair. With gentle bristles, these gloves provide an effective grooming experience without causing any discomfort. They work on all hair types, from short to long and coarse fur. Our patented gloves feature rubber nodules for soothing massages, mimicking a gentle touch. They are built to withstand baths, playful nibbles, and lots of love. These gloves stimulate circulation and distribute natural oils, promoting a healthy skin and coat. Keep your hands clean and protected while giving your pet a professional grooming experience. Highly durable, these gloves are built to last through heavy grooming sessions. Simply rinse them with water or toss them in the washing machine for easy cleaning. Customers rave about how much their pets enjoy the grooming experience. They love the massaging nodules for de-shedding and waterless grooming, making it a special treat for your furry friends. What we like. These gloves offer a unique hands-on grooming experience with their dual-action nodules. They effectively remove shedding hair, massage your pet, and help distribute natural oils for a healthier coat. If you prefer a more tactile approach to grooming and want to give your pet a soothing massage while de-shedding, these gloves are perfect. They are especially great for pets who enjoy gentle petting and for owners who want to keep their hands clean and protected. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and use, making bath time more enjoyable for both me and my dog. It effectively distributes shampoo and helps to loosen dirt and debris from my dog's coat. The bristles are soft enough not to irritate my dog's skin, but firm enough to provide a good clean. Number 2. ROPO Dog Bath Brush 2 PCS. Meet the ROPO Dog Bath Brush, your new best friend for pet grooming. This upgraded version is designed for ultimate comfort and effectiveness. Its innovative design makes bath time a breeze. The adjustable ring handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip for you. Long, soft bristles effectively clean your pet's coat while being gentle on their skin. It helps distribute shampoo evenly for a thorough wash. Featuring an upgraded anti-slip back and strap, it provides superior control and prevents accidental drops. You can groom with confidence. This versatile grooming brush is suitable for both dogs and cats of all sizes. Give your furry friends the pampering they deserve. The ROPO Dog Bath Brush set includes 2 brushes, ensuring you always have one ready. Make grooming a joyful experience for both you and your pet. What we like. This brush boasts an innovative adjustable ring handle for a secure and comfortable grip, along with long, dense bristles for deep cleaning. Its anti-slip design ensures it stays put during vigorous grooming sessions. If you have a larger dog or a pet with a thick coat that requires more intensive cleaning, this brush is ideal. It's designed for owners who need a secure and effective tool for thorough grooming and deep cleaning. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and use, making bath time more enjoyable for both me and my dog. It effectively distributes shampoo and lathers well, reducing the amount of shampoo needed. The soft silicone bristles are gentle on my dog's skin while still providing a good scrub. Number 1. Aquapaw Dog Bath Brush Pro. Introducing the Aquapaw Dog Bath Brush Pro. It's the revolutionary tool designed to make bath time easier for both you and your furry friend. This innovative device combines a gentle scrubber with a powerful sprayer. It effectively cleans and rinses your dog in one seamless motion. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during the bath. The large silicone rubber construction is gentle on your pet's skin. The generous 8-foot hose provides ample reach, making it easy to maneuver around your dog. You can bathe them anywhere with convenience. Say goodbye to bath time struggles. This tool transforms the chore into a quick and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Whether you have a small pup or a large breed, this tool is perfect for all dogs. It's an essential addition to your pet bath supplies. What we like. This product combines a sprayer and scrubber into one, featuring flexible silicone for a gentle yet effective clean. The extended 8-foot hose provides great reach and convenience. If you're looking for a way to simplify the entire bathing process and want to rinse and scrub simultaneously, this is the ultimate solution. It's perfect for owners who want to reduce bath time and ensure their pet gets a thorough, all-over clean with minimal fuss. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and use, making bath time more enjoyable for both me and my dog. It effectively distributes shampoo and massages the dog's skin, leaving their coat clean and soft. The bristles are soft yet firm enough to remove dirt and loose fur without causing irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.